What's good, y'all? Man, it's been a minute. I ain't been on the camera in a minute. I've been busy, lazy, a little bit of both. But man, it's been a little while, man. I'm glad to be back on the camera. I had to get on the camera for this one, so got a pair of these 2007 Fire Red 3s, man. Right here. Oh. Father God, please touch the feet that have walked in these J's, Lord. Boy, I said whoever wore these, bro, they averaged a triple-double. I just wanted to just get on here, show my face, let y'all know I'm still good. We still kicking it. We out here pushing out content. We out here getting these shoes in, man. If you got shoes, man, DM me. Hit me up on Messenger, whatever, man. I'll meet you up. We go get the shoes, man. Take them back, do what I need to do, get them right back to you. Because I know, look, this is the first summer without COVID restrictions. It's about to be on, right? So look, this is what we working with right here. I done, fixed them up real nice. Looking pretty magnificent if you ask me. It's 2007, so it's a lot of things that, like the back tab, like that was cracked when I got it, but that's just from it being from 2007, like, so it's so old. But like on this one, for some reason the back tab was cool, man. Really wasn't a lot of work on that back tab, but we brought them back to life. So I just made a video showing you what's going on, showing you that I need that GOAT status. Quit playing with me. Bandana Air Force One custom coming up. I'll be working on these today actually, so we gonna get these going. Getting the content road. You know how we do. Look, enjoy the video. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Just came on to pop up and show my face. But I'll see y'all next time. And don't forget to like, share, follow all my socials. Peace.